Hi to all, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. Today we are going to make seashell fry in Hamari style. For that we have taken fresh seashell. Here you can see shells are closed from all the sides. So now we need to boil them in a water so that they will open nicely. So let it boil for 10 minutes. Here you can see shells are started opening. Let all open nicely. So here we can see all shells opened. So now we can turn off the flame. Now take them out. Wow, how nicely this came out. Let it cool for some time. Now we can easily remove them from the shell and wash them in a cold water and keep them aside. Now take a pan, add oil into it. Once oil heat up, add finely chopped onion and green chilies. Mix it and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt as per taste. Mix it well. Fry them nicely for 3 to 4 minutes. Our boiled seashell into it. Mix them nicely. Let it fry for 5 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. Until it cooks nicely. It's done. Now take them out. Garnish with some fresh coriander. So here is our seashell fry. You can have this as a starter. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, then do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the future notification. We will meet in our next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, bye.